Welcome back to another episode in the series How to Become an Android Developer, how to find a job as an Android developer. In the previous episode we discussed edit text and now we know how to get an input from the user. In this episode we're going to discuss buttons. Every app has a button, so let's implement some buttons. I'll start with adding into Figma, and we have two buttons, the login and the sign up. We also have a text view which we know how to implement and we will do in a second. Let's click the button, design. We have all the attributes. Now we can add to Android Studio and just type button. Nice. The width is going to be match parent and the height is going to be, let's see on Figma, the height is 40. Nice. Let's go back and type 40 dp. Nice. Now, as we can see, the button width takes the entire background because it's match parent. We don't want it. We want it to be aligned with the rest of the screen. So I'm going to copy the margin left and right, the spacing to the left and to the right of the edit text. And I'm going to paste it into the button so it is aligned. Okay, cool. The text of that button is going to be login. Now we want to change the background color. In order to do that, we'll add to Figma. And we can see the background color. I'm going to copy that. Open Android Studio and background tint. This is the attribute to change background color for buttons. And I'm going to paste my color. Awesome. Now we want to add some spacing at the top. Let's add back to Figma. Choose inspect and the spacing is 45. Awesome. So let's change the spacing. Margin top 45 dp. Amazing. Now what we want to do is we want to change the font of the login. Let's see what the font is. I'm going to click on login, click design, size 16, font is Poppins and it's bold. Let's change all of that. So the font is Poppins. Awesome. Text style is going to be not size, text style is going to be bold and the size is going to be 16 sp. Nice. Now what we want to do is we want to have that little or text view. Let's do that. Let's create a text view. Cool. It's going to be wrap content and wrap content. The text should be simply or. I want it to be in the middle, so gravity center. I want it centered. Okay, now we're going to add back to Figma. We're going to click on that to check out all of the attributes. The color is 6 zeros, which is the representation of black. So I'm going to copy that into Android Studio, into our text view. So the text color is going to be, I'm going to paste it, and now it's black. Amazing. Figma again, size is 12. Poppins, bold, let's do that. Size is 12 sp. Font is Poppins, cool. And the text style is bold. Now we are good to go. Figma again, let's check out the spacing between or and the button. So it is 18, cool. So let's add some spacing at the top. We do that using margin top and it's going to be 18 dp. Cool. We have one more thing to do and is to add the sign up button. Since it's the same as the login button except the text is different, we can just copy that login button, paste it, change the text to sign up, but the spacing seems to be a bit off. We can check Figma, but it's also we can play out of intuition here. And we know that the spacing between or and login is, let's see, between or and login is 18 dp. So it's probably going to be the same 18 dp because everything needs to look good, needs to be aligned, center, and the margin should look the same between the elements. So that's it. That concludes this lesson. Basically, the login is complete. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Every time.